Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm going to do a little video series. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm going to film it all, the whole process, and then we'll just pump out the videos day after day. Don't know how many videos there'll be, but basically we're going to go over the process of refinishing the three-piece wheels I picked up. So if you guys missed that video or new to the channel, I picked up these three-piece Racing Direction wheels. They are 16 by 8, and right now they're all still original, you know, the same specs. They got like stickers and stuff on them. See, 38 offset, 8 inches wide. Got all the marks in here. AMF working, Racing Direction, and as you can see, they need a little bit of love, because these have probably just been ran how they were. So you can see we got some of the hardware starting to, especially up here, the chrome's coming off them, starting to rust. And I'm really not sure how I like the red and purple. But, you know, some of these wheels, you know, we've got nicks and stuff on them. So, basically in this video, we're going to tear these down. So I'm hoping to do like tear down video, do a video doing the polishing, sanding and polishing the lips, and then we'll do like hardware and powder coat reveal, and then reassembly, and then tire mounting and install. But this is where we're at. So we're going to break these down. Since I'm just sanding and polishing the faces, because this is the worst one, it's got a little bit of rash right here. Hopefully it's not too deep. Got a bunch of stuff for it. So let's grab some tools, take the valve stem off, take the hardware off with all of them. And I'm hoping not to split them, because I don't really need to do that. And as you can see, these are like mounted from the rear. The faces are mounted to the rear of the barrel. So just start pulling these apart. First one out, a 10mm socket, 8mm 12-point wrench, and I have like 35 more to do. I'm pretty sure, I think these are 36. But I'm gonna save all the hardware, just in case if I sell these and someone wants the original hardware, I'll have it. So, see if I can set you guys up for a little time lapse. That only took a few minutes with the impact. Obviously going back together, we'll have to torque them properly. But here we go. All the hardware is out. So now we'll throw it in a bag and we'll pop the face out of this wheel. So got all my hardware in the bag. All the hardware is off the face. Got a little rubber wheel chuck underneath. And I'm hoping just to kind of, bang, popped out. So now all I got to do is take the stem out. You can see this is still all sealed together. I'll polish it just like that. And we'll get the other three faces out. We'll take them out to powder coating. So let me do that. All right, number 2. Gotta pull the valve stems, just a 10mm on these. And if I can find the rubber to reuse these, like to remake them or redo them, that'd be fine. But I might just find the size and order 4 new ones. But might be able to just get the rubber on them. But can always just measure the hole and get new ones. Last one. So there we have it. I still got to get the stems out of those two, which no big deal. So now these are fully broken down, which we can start doing the polishing and stuff. I'll do another video on just polishing them. I'm not going to separate the lips and barrels for two reasons. So first off, the barrels are 8 inches wide. The offset is where I want it. The width is where I want it. And the second reason is they weren't leaking. They had tires on them. They weren't leaking air. So I don't feel like I should separate and reseal them. Some people might do it as a precaution. Since I have easy access to a tire machine, I'm just going to leave it go. I'm going to leave them exactly how they are. So, not sure what I'm going to film next. I have a bag of all this hardware I got to put somewhere. So, keep up. That's all I'm going to do for this video. Is these are now all fully broken down. Faces can get redone. Barrels can get polished. We can find hardware, stuff like that. So, that's basically the giant mess that I've made here. So, watch for the next video. Not sure what I'm going to get into next. Might be the polishing. Might get into the polishing since that's going to take a little bit of time, since I'm just going to have to do it all by hand. I don't have any sort of rig or anything to speed it up. So, hope you liked the video. Till next time.